Okay, today we are on 6.3 and we are talking about volumes of pyramids and cones. In 6.2 we talked about, what did we talk about? Volumes of what?
Circles? Prisms.
Prisms and what it has a circular base? Cylinders. Good. So, and again, once you get the formulas down and you know the radius or you know how to find the area of the base, you just plug it in, right? Area of the base times height. With a pyramid and a cone, what is the difference between a pyramid and a prism? What's the difference between a pyramid, which is shown here, and a prism, like a rectangular prism? Colby?
A pyramid is like a 3D triangle.
Okay.
And a prism.
Okay, I will clear it up for you. A prism has the same base as the top. A rectangular prism has a rectangular bottom and a rectangular top, right? Like that Kleenex box. Cylinder, same thing. Circle on the bottom, circle on the top. Triangular prism, triangle on the bottom, triangle on the top. A pyramid might have a triangle or a rectangle on the bottom, but then it points up. It ends in a point. The top goes to a point. So you can see here, the red, I tried to draw it on the board. The red is the base. So here you have a rectangular prism, rectangle or square on the bottom as the base, and it each of the corners form to a single point at the top. Here you have a triangular base or a triangular pyramid, and all from each corner or each vertex, it forms up to a single point at the top. Okay, so that's how you know it's the difference between a pyramid and a prism. Pyramid volume is 1/3 area of the base times height. What's the area of the base of this one? What's the formula?
Base times height.
Yeah, length times width, right? So we could write this as volume equals 1/3 length times width times height, correct? Here we have a cone. A cone, easy to remember. Think of an ice. How many of you guys like ice cream?
Yeah.
I'd have an ice cream cone every night, right? Cone at the bottom. You could also draw it like this. The base is a circle. Yeah. Base is a circle, and it forms to a single point at the top. So you know it's a cone. Same exact formula for volume, 1/3 area of the base times height. But now, what is the area of the base? What is the shape of the base? It's a circle. What's the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So we put in 1/3 pi r squared times height. All of this can go on your formula sheet. If you just want to put this one and this one, that's fine, right? It'll be a little bit less confusing. So if we want to find the volume, let's see, we have a triangular prism here on example 1, 4 by 9 by 9. So we have 4 by 9, and the height is 9. Is that right? Or nope, this is. Go ahead and try and figure out the area of that pyramid. First thing I'm going to do is write down the formula, 1/3 length. You know what? Oh, no, sorry. This is a little bit different. We need to add another formula here. Is this going to be length times width?
No.
What's the area of a triangle?
Length times length divided by 2.
1/2, we call it base times height,
Yeah.
right? Times big height. So we want to say this is the triangle, and this is rectangular. Is everybody clear on the difference between the two?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, if you go back to this basic formula, you're going to be able to figure out what the area of the base is, and you know what the area of the base of a rectangle, square, or triangle are. Okay, so we're on to 1/2 base times height. What is the base of, well, I mean, what is the base of the base, I guess? 4, good. And what's the height of the base? 9. And then times, what's the height of the whole thing? 9. Good. These are 2 different 9s. So we're going to do 1/3 times 9. This will make it a little bit easier. 1/3 times 4. I can do 1/3 times 4, but then I have 4/3 and I'm dealing with fractions. But if I do 1/3 times 9, what do I get? 3. So let's make that easy. 3 times 4 is 12 times 9 equals 108. So the volume of this triangular pyramid is 108. Any questions on that?